how this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In these, when I'm going to show you how I can do a hard factory reset to iPhone 16, 16 Pro Max or 16 Pro to give away or to resell your phone to somebody else. So in this case, you have to go directly to the setting of the phone. Here we go. You see all the information about your phone here. So what you have to do, you have to go to general option here. In general, you have to go to bottom. You have transfer or reset your phone. Go inside. Here at the top, you see prepare for new iPhone, get started. So you transfer your phone to another iPhone, all the data. Bottom, you have reset and erase all content and setting. Reset will reset all the setting, but will not reset everything. So in this case, we'll go inside, erase all the setting. So before that, I recommend to everybody do a backup of all your data, put in your iCloud, or save all the data in some computer or Mac, because after doing that you can't recover any data. If you have some photos, video, it will erase everything. So do that before coming to this process. So here we have two buttons, continue and not now. Hit continue button. You see here erase iPhone, click this one. The phone is restarting. Let's see. It will take some time. Meanwhile, you can go and grab some tea or coffee, maybe 2, 3, 5 minutes. So I leave this phone and I will be back. After restarting couple of times, the phone comes to this screen. You see hello. Now you can set up your phone as you have done for the first time. Choose your language, and in case if you want to give away to resell it, just you have to press the power button. See here, shut down, just shut down the phone, slide. So this is the way you can do a hard factory reset and erase every data from your phone before giving away to anybody or resell it. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.